July the 7th, I'm going to take a walk on the beach here in Seaside. It's about 11:45. You can see the sky, a little bit of breeze. I'm guessing the temperatures are in the 60s. I'm going to walk up to the estuary entrance. I'll turn around and walk south to the beach ends and then come back. Nice day, Thursday. Crowds are minimal. Short distance north on the beach to the estuary. It's low tide, so you could probably wade across it in some areas. I just don't know where, and I'm not really interested in doing that today. But the trail comes up short of the point on the other side over there, and you bounce through the neighborhoods out to 101, cross the bridge on into Seaside. Keep on going. All right. It looks like there may be a low pressure system up here because the wind's coming from the south, and usually the prevailing is from the north. With all these clouds and everything, I wouldn't be surprised if there was a little low migrating through here. So it's not super strong or anything, but when you're hiking longer distances, rather not have anything that tends to restrict your movement, if possible. That's the Akola headland, dead ahead. I'm going to hike just down the beach, right underneath it, and then turn around. Busy this morning. Pretty nice sand castle. Yeah. Mini castle there. Those tall buildings straight ahead are pretty much the center of town. So far the wind is just about the right temperature actually for having a good pace. Well, I'm sneaking up on the end of the old beach. The trail goes up the road where those houses are, and then the actual single track goes up over the headland from there. And I don't know how far you could go walking on the shoreline around the point there. I've not tried that yet. Unlikely I will, but could certainly get out to the point. be interested to see how the audio sounds with this new case and uncover the microphone a little bit better. If it's any better. I hope it is. My Strava track, I've gone about 2.6 miles in a little less than 50 minutes, so I think I'm maintaining about 3 miles an hour. Comfortable on the sand. Doesn't get much flatter than this. Well, there's that clicking sound. I have no idea what that's coming from. I took the lanyard off. Must be something about this case, which is unfortunate, because I'd really prefer to have the phone in the case, but I may not be able to. I don't know. We'll see. I've come off the beach and I'm walking along the road that will eventually, up in those houses up there, hit a dead end, and then the single track starts up to over at Cola Park headland. Looks like I have a hiker in front of me. Looks like he's got a lot of stuff. See where he's going. Alright. Ended up walking up to the single track trailhead at Tillamook Head, and I'll be back to go up that maybe tomorrow or so with my trail kit. This is coming back down the road behind the houses that I was filming from the beach. And yeah, these forests are really pretty. I ran into another hiker called Priority Mail. He's hiking a little section of the OCT, and he actually was on the PCT earlier this year. I think he said he made it up to San Jacinto. Could be wrong there, but anyway, so I was able to give him a little intel on the trail from when I hiked it a number of years ago. Alright, sneaking up down into the beach zone again. Okay, well, I'm back from my beach walk, 6.5 miles in 2 hours moving time. Mostly right on the nice sand of the beach. So, feel pretty notch tomorrow or the next day. And see how that feels.